Hello everyone, here is CryptoToti, the latest crypto guru. If you want to learn how to lose money in crypto, here is the best place to be. I'm not a financial advisor, don't contact no one, no X, no Telegram, just I doing as a hobby. So let's start. This week we had, so from the last Saturday, we have an around 70% grow up of the Bitcoin, and after that we have a pullback. So here we're at 9, almost 10%. So here the long X10 was liquidated. So if we look with the Fibonacci from here until here, so he reached 1.4 Fibonacci, and after that, if we delete this and we do like that, so here reach 0.618. So if we want to do 0.618 with the 3 points, we have an 1618, 86,000 if the price is going up. If the price is going down, let's take this, so from here until here. So if it's go below 0.786, here are the prices from the next period. So we can have from here, like, and one is here, and the other one is from here until here and until here. So this is the range of the next period. So let's see what will happen. This is the range. We don't know, we can go up and down. The RSI is very low, but is not extremely low. And if we go to the 1 day, of course the RSI it can go up or it can go down and again up. Let's see, for daily, the RSI is a middle, so it can go in each direction. Here is not very clear. From here to here, we don't have, this is low, lower, here low, lower, so we don't have any kind of situation on the bearish divergence or the bullish divergence on the week. On the week, the situation, how it's, so from this point, we can see like that, and from here, we can see like that. So here, when the RSI is very low and the price is not low, we can have so the price is go. So here is, if you want to work, if it not work, so we have a bullish, one of them. So it look like when the price is going down is strong bullish. When the price is not going so much down and the RSI is going down, is hidden. Let's see. So this is the period of the Bitcoin. What we can say in the long term. In the long term, if we tweak from this point until this point, so, and we are on a logarithmic, yes, we are a logarithmic because we have we are on weekly. So the price reached 0.236, but we have no clear, and we have a long way to see things which are lower. At the same time, if we take the other Fibonacci from here until here, so he's going under the one. So here we can see this point. If not, we can see this point. But this point, yeah, with the situation, actual situation, we cannot be very positive. Yeah. So if we take another guy, so from here until here until here, so we have here another value. So let's see what will come next. So if we take another one from here until here and until here, we have this one, this one, this one. So 191, 223, 277. let's see what will happen in the future. So this is the when you see weekly and we see this value, to reach this value to this value we need many weeks. So this is some value which cannot speak in March, April, or maybe in the next years. What we have today, we have RSI very low, yeah, also lower than this point, and the price is almost in the last period of the all-time high. Let's see, theoretical, we should have it's a good place to buy something. Not, we don't know if for the very high recovery, but for this kind of small recovery here, like we have here, or yeah, like we have here, yeah, or not, like we have here, or that we can have here, so, or we can have here, so something like that. But we don't know how much it will take. So from the high, from here, from the high until here, around 55 bars, and from high until here 54 bars is somehow in the October, November, so we need to wait. You see here in the last period we have a low here, and here it was 17, after to go a little bit down. So here was in June, yeah, so here June and here is June. So every time in the June, July, June, how here we have also August, so June, August, and here also March, June. So every time in June we have some going low. Let's see, but here we cannot go lower than here, this point. So we need to have a pullback. The most of the time this RSI is going very fast up, but the price is going little bit. So let's see. So like here, you see here is going already to 70 here, from here to here. So it was not big difference. Yeah, here we have almost double the price, but let's see. So Ethereum, let's say in 4 hour, we can see something like that, and here something like that. So if we go in this direction, we can have this point if we go in the uptrend. What we can say, no RSI, nothing. If we delete this and we place an Fibonacci, so from here to here is reach 0618, maybe we'll reach 0786. So if we go back again like in the other one, we can go from here like that, so we can have this value. Yeah, will be a good value if is everything is going okay. Here we have like a consolidation from February. Here we have a month. We have like a consolidation. So what happened? So some people they are bullish. Okay, 10%, X10, and here we have we are bearish. Okay, we are bearish to have almost 20%. So here is like a grabbing the liquidity from up and down from X100 until X10 or X7 or something like that. So for the long term, in one day we can see very clear from this point until this point we have 0786. So he has not gone below 0786. If we look at this value, is looking very nice, but let's see. And if we have 0786 normal, we have the second one from here to here until here. So yes, if the price is going now and we have an uptrend period, we can reach these points maybe, as we see here, we up and down, up and down. So if you want to see in very short time this point, I think is not possible. So maybe we'll have up and down until we see this point maybe in the near future. But for the moment, if the price is going up, we can speculate these values, yeah, these values 05, 06, 07, 86. So this value we can speculate for the moment, and after that we'll see. As you will see, the RSI is already in the middle of 50, so we can have a pull down and pull up. But let's see. So here we have a lower point. Here is not lower. Here we have a lower point, and here is much lower. So we have a similar situation like a Bitcoin, and this hidden bullish divergence. But let's see how this hidden bullish divergence can remain, but can come maybe very late. Because here we can have a consolidation. It can take maybe 2 months, and after that nobody know what will happen 2 months, because alpha is the price remain here, and this RSI somehow here. This bullish is not used. So let's see what is the news coming in the next period. So Solana is very low. Yeah, we have again this situation, but here not a situation. This point is higher than this one comparing with the Bitcoin and Ethereum. So here we have no divergence. Maybe a daily, maybe weekly come something. Also here we have a long consolidation period. So this Doge can remain an alternative for the people which like this. So here 3 trillion comparing with the 2021. So we are here. We need to wait to see the direction. The graphic somehow following the Bitcoin, because the majority of the money was in Bitcoin, and less and less. You see here total 3 is just a little bit. This is without excluding BTC and Ethereum. So that this doesn't influence so much. Maybe in the future you will see this number greater, but no. We'll see. So the dominance has no direction. Yeah, you see the dominance has fallen a little bit during the July until September, but since then just the consolidation. So this big falling to have it here, I don't know when will happen. Until now exists no signs. If we want to happen, let's see what will happen. We go from this point to this point, and maybe this is a little bit extreme, but this is the good point. So if we go, we can go to 48. So this 48 can be a good number, but here when it's 48, that means something not very nice is happening. Let's go to the AVAX. AVAX also is a very low price. If you trust this project, maybe you can have here some buyout. It can be also, if the situation is going low, here is also very good opportunity, good to buy. If you believe in this crow, yeah, we can have this point and have still this point, and after that we have this area from here. So here's some imbalances from here. So if we have a 3.5 cent, yeah, will be a good project, as they have car, they have a lot of things. So also we can see nice gains in the future if nothing bad is happening. So the RSI is also very low, and if you look on the weekly, also RSI is very low. So we have good opportunities ahead, at least for the next month, and after that we'll see what will happen in June until September, October. Here is CryptoToti. Thanks a lot. We hear us next time.